So here's the plan. I'm going to train a neural network to simulate the way a moth behaves, the way they navigate based on a distant light. Also, I'm moving across the country with my cats. I'll do it on the way. I heard at some point that's why they circle a light, because they think that that's the moon at a fixed point in the distance. I don't know if it's true, but let's get a neural network to do it. Don't worry, Howl. You'll be more in the next video. Bum, 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 boom. Scrappy, how are you cowering? Oh, good, you're having a bite. Can I get a comment, Scrappy? Oh. So the first thing we got to decide on is what language. Now, I've done this before. I've programmed neural networks to simulate natural selection, evolution stuff, just as random organisms. I've trained them to behave as bats feeding outwardly. I've trained a sort of autonomous vehicle simulation to navigate near water turbulence on the ocean. I'm heading south through Indiana a little ways first before I turn west. I just do not want to drive through Chicago. Worst place I've ever driven through is Phoenix, Arizona. So yeah, what language do I want to do this in? I've done a neural network in Java. More recently, I've done it in C++. Yeah, I guess I'm going to go with C++. I'll get started on it tonight. Good morning. I guess they don't do rest stops in Missouri, you know, where you stop your car and there's a vending machine and whatever. I had to awkwardly sleep in a gas station parking lot. Found an old C++ implementation of a neural network that I made like a year ago or something. I'm gonna use that. Scrappy, can you stop blindly groping around? Fine, you drive. Alright, I've written this sort of rigid body class. It doesn't have much physics to speak of, but the moth class will inherit from it. I'm working on the moth class now. Here's someone who looks like those programs. Howl, let's go for a walk. We're leaving the Midwest, Howl, my little Hoosier. God, are we really saying goodbye to all this corn? Oh no. Not the corn. Who's getting the corn? Give me back my corn on the Hoosier. I think I'll think about this while I drive a little bit. Basically, I've got the neural network all set. I gotta put it into a moth, put him near a moon. Voila. Okay, Hal. Merging onto I-80. Woo! Okay, this is a highway. Maybe it'll have rest stops. Are you scared of the fog? Ooh. How you guys doing? Ready for some debugging? It's a continue.